Hello and welcome to NJTV YouTube channel. In this beginner tutorial, I will teach you how to crop images in Photoshop. So let's jump right in. Go to File, open your image, which image you want to crop. In this case, I use this image and open. We can crop our image by two ways. One is our any selection tool like rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, make etc. And you can also make selection by using pen tool. I'll show you both ways. Our first one is our selection tool. In this case, I use elliptical marquee tool. So drag a rounded circle which area you need, holding shift and drag your mouse. You can drag your selection just holding left mouse button and adjust your area. Then go to layer panel and click add a mask. You crop this area. Look, you see transparent area around our image. To fit this canvas, go to image and select trim. Trim away checked on top, bottom, left, right and hit OK. We crop our image perfectly by selection tool. You can use this method for any selection tool you need to crop. We undo this crop pressing Ctrl Z, Ctrl D for deselect. So another way we can crop our image, this is called our crop tool. Just select your crop tool, which area you need to crop, increase or decrease your area by dragging your mouse cursor. Then click on check button. It's cropped. Ctrl Z for undo. We can also crop our image by giving default ratio by Photoshop. In this case, if you choose any original ratio like 5:7, just click, it's automatically select your area and hit check button. It's cropped. Ctrl Z for undo. We can also crop our image by our desired aspect ratio. For example, if you choose 10 by 10, select our area and click check button. It's cropped. Ctrl Z for undo. If you cropped your image by straighten, just select and increase or decrease and select your straighten and draw a straight line. It's straighten your crop area and hit enter. It's cropped. So if you want to save this crop image, just go to file, save as, any format as you like, For example, I chose png, file name, any file name if you like, and hit save. Save. So I think in this tutorial you learned a lot about how to crop images in Photoshop. Further videos, please support my channel and subscribe. Thank you.